Leggy Seedlings from Seeds Indoors and How to Fix It. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So if you start your seeds indoors like I do, and you have leggy seedlings, there are various reasons for that, and I'll give you some of the reasons and how to fix them. So the first one is it's too compact. So this is when you plant too many seeds in one container, like this over here. You have a lot of seeds in one container, and all of them are fighting for nutrients. The solution to this is you want to transplant the seeds into separate containers, so that way the containers have enough, the seeds have enough room, and they have enough nutrients from a bigger container or from a spaced out container. So transplant the seeds into a different container, and the seeds will do well, and they will continue to grow and be much better. Second solution to this problem is just providing it with more nutrients, like organic fertilizer, compost tea, or fish fertilizer. That will provide more nutrients for the seedlings. You also want to make sure that when you transplant it, transplant the seedlings deep enough into the soil, so that way they do much better in terms of being able to be stable and grab nutrients from the soil. One of the main reasons why most seedlings become very leggy is not enough light. Seedlings require a lot of light in order for them to continue to grow. Most seedlings require between 12 to 18 hours of intense light for them to do well. And you won't get that from putting your seedlings on the windowsill or indoors. So you want to make sure that the seedlings get enough light, and one way of doing that is to solve that problem is to make sure you put it under a grow light. Putting it under a grow light for about 12 to 18 hours will provide enough light for the seedlings to continue to grow. Or an alternative would be to bring the seedlings out during the day and bring them back in at night if the temperature outside is good and you have time to do that. But the easiest way to do would be use a grow light. Another important reason why some seedlings just get very leggy is the temperature. If the temperature is still very high once the seedlings germinate, and the temperature is still high, the seedlings are gonna be leggy. For example, if you use a grow mat like this, and after the seeds germinate, you don't take it off the grow mat, the seedlings are gonna become leggy because the temperature encourages the seedlings to just keep growing longer and leggier. So just make sure that once the seedlings germinate, move them away from the grow mat, and then move them to a location where they get regular temperature, which is not too hot for the seedlings to do well. Another important cause of leggy seedling is a lack of airflow. Indoors, there's not a lot of wind or air movement that would force the seedlings to move around, thereby developing some muscles or develop some strength to resist the wind flow. So indoors, you want to make sure that there's a little bit of air movement. You can use a fan, or just put the seedlings out for a couple of hours and let the wind push it around. That's going to help the seedlings develop some resistance, and thereby more sturdy and much better plant growth and survival, as opposed to just living inside with no movement. So those are the main reasons why you get leggy seedlings. Hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll try to answer as many as possible, and hopefully you get a better growing seedlings and a better growing season this year. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.